Introduction. Welcome to our video on the surprising simple truth about extraordinary results. In this video, we will explore the idea that often, the key to achieving extraordinary results is not about doing something complex or extraordinary, but rather, it's about doing the simple things consistently and with purpose. We'll take a look at some examples of how this principle has been applied in different areas, and we'll also provide some tips on how you can apply it in your own life. Segment 1. The power of consistency. The first thing we'll talk about is the power of consistency. Many people think that in order to achieve extraordinary results, they need to do something big or groundbreaking. But the truth is, often, it's the small, consistent actions that make the biggest difference. For example, if you want to improve your fitness, it's not about doing one big workout, it's about consistently working out a little bit every day. The same is true for learning a new skill or building a successful business. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards your goal. Segment 2. The importance of purpose. The second thing we'll talk about is the importance of purpose. When you have a clear sense of why you are doing something, it's much easier to stay motivated and stay on track. For example, if you are trying to learn a new language, it's much easier to stay motivated if you have a clear purpose in mind, such as being able to communicate with family members or being able to travel to a specific country. When you have a clear sense of why you are doing something, it's much easier to stay motivated and stay on track. Segment 3. Real-life examples. Now let's take a look at some real-life examples of how this principle has been applied. One example is the story of a man named James Clear, who is a best-selling author and speaker on the topic of habit formation. He talks about how he was able to write a book by simply writing a little bit every day. Another example is the story of a woman named Gretchen Rubin, who is a best-selling author and speaker on the topic of happiness. She talks about how she was able to improve her happiness by simply doing small, consistent things every day. Segment 4. Tips for applying the principle. So, how can you apply this principle in your own life? Here are a few tips. Start small. Don't try to do too much at once. Start with something small and manageable, and then build on that. Set a goal. Have a clear goal in mind, and make sure it's something that's meaningful to you. Track your progress. Keep track of your progress, and celebrate your successes along the way. Stay motivated. Stay motivated by remembering why you are doing what you are doing, and by reminding yourself of the progress you've made. Conclusion. In conclusion, the key to achieving extraordinary results is not about doing something complex or extraordinary, but rather, it's about doing the simple things consistently and with purpose. By starting small, setting a goal, tracking your progress, and staying motivated, you can achieve extraordinary results in any area of your life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.